A lot for that. So that's the cement space, right? Clearly the hot topic this week. But what do you watch out for next week? That is what we're going to tell you. The RBI policy comes up next week on the 30th of September, and a dipstick survey by CNBC TV18 indicates that there's a 50 basis points rate hike coming, and the stance of the RBI could be cautious, especially after what the US Fed came out with. In fact, Goldman Sachs just raised the RBI repo rate forecast to 50 basis points rate hike after the US Fed meeting, and they expect a further rate hike of 50 basis points in 2023, which would take the repo rate to 6.75% by April of 2023. Now, remember, the rupee was also the big talking point last week, and the RBI intervened to at about 80.8 to the rupee, but the rupee fell to a record low. It had a lot of other global currencies for company as well. And in that context, a couple of things to remember. We are in a restrictive monetary policy tightening cycle globally, right? So not just the US Fed, which raised rates. There was the Bank of England that hiked rates by 50 basis points. It was the 7th consecutive hike. There was the Swiss Central Bank that hiked rates by 75 basis points and now is out of negative territory. In that context, the US GDP numbers also become important, the ones that come out next week. So lots to talk about. We'll do one thing. We'll take a quick commercial break. On the other side of the break, Pankaj Tibrewal of Kotak Mahindra Asset Management Company will be with us to discuss all of these cues. Don't go anywhere.